This is a tutorial on how to set up your school messenger contact list as a parent. To begin, you need to type in the address go.schoolmessenger.com into your web browser. It will bring you to the login page. If you have never logged in before, you want to click on sign up and put in your email that is on record as the primary email for the school district. You also will need to select a password for your account. Once you enter these two pieces of information, click the sign up button down below. You will receive an email from School Messenger that will verify your account. Once you have verified the account, you can then go to log in to School Messenger. Once at the login, you type your email address in along with the password you just created and log in. This will bring you to the web page's homepage with all of the messages that have been sent to your account. To change your preferences or to update your account information, you will need to go to the three bars in the upper left-hand corner next to the School Messenger sign here. Click on the bars and then choose Preferences. You will see all of the contacts that the school district has on record in School Messenger for you. There are two ways that you can access and update your numbers. You can click on an individual number and choose how you will receive information. Please note that you have to select how you would like to be contacted for each different type of message that will come home. Once you have updated your information in there, you can then hit save and it will save your contact preferences for that number. You can then do this for each other contact that you have. If you see a contact that is not on your list and would like to add it, you can always add more. Once you have added those numbers, you will need to then update your preferences for which messages you would like to be contacted with that email address or phone number. The other way to update your preferences is to click on each type of message. For instance, if we click on General, you'll notice that it's okay to call the first phone number but not the other. It's also not receiving any text messages, and I'm choosing to have a general message sent to my email. If I would like to change any of those, I can check those boxes and it will contact those numbers as well. Click save and your contact will be updated. Please note that when you're looking at school hours emergency, all of your contacts as far as your phone numbers and emails will be checked. If you would like them not to receive a phone call during a school hour emergency, you just need to make sure that you uncheck the box and click save.